How do pop-up drink stands speed up boba drink preparation? Pop-up drink stands speed up boba drink preparation by having pre-prepared ingredients and a very organized setup that allows workers to make drinks quickly without wasting time. Pop-up drink stands are designed to serve customers fast, and they do this by preparing many parts of the boba drinks ahead of time. For example, the tapioca pearls, which are the chewy balls in boba drinks, are often cooked in big batches before the stand opens so they are ready to be scooped into cups right away. The tea or milk base is also brewed or mixed earlier, so the staff only needs to pour it when a customer orders. Everything is arranged in a way that workers can reach for the ingredients quickly without moving around too much. This setup reduces the time spent walking or searching for items. Additionally, pop-up stands usually have simple menus with popular drink choices, which means fewer steps in making each drink. Another interesting fact is that some stands use special machines that automatically shake or mix drinks, cutting down the manual work and speeding up the process even more. All these things combined help serve more customers in less time. One common mistake is not keeping ingredients fresh, especially tapioca pearls, because if they sit too long, they get hard and don't taste good, which can slow down service as staff have to replace them. The tip here is to cook smaller batches more often rather than one big batch. Another problem is having a cluttered workspace, which can make it harder to find things quickly and cause delays. Making sure everything has its place and is easy to reach can fix this. Some people think more workers always mean faster service, but if everyone is not well coordinated, it can lead to confusion and slower preparation. Clear roles and good communication are key. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bhomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners list jobs and home service experts, or contractors contact you with estimates.